our episode starts here. The Big Banana, one of Australia's, I don't know, this is a place you stop if you're on a road trip. We're about, give or take, halfway to Sydney. We're heading to World Time Attack in the Crown Wagon. We've done about, I think, 400k so far. Nice and easy drive. Heading to Sydney for the weekend for World Time Attack. Awesome event, full of wicked cars. I'm down there filming a mate's car, which is a pretty sweet Nissan Micra, but we're just in for a good time. I've got my mate Geordie and Tom with me, so we'll keep on booking down the highway. I think we've got another 5-6 hours left and get stuck into some sweet rides in Sydney. Let's do it. Freshly trimmed fridge. Just gonna throw some of that in there. I just checked the temperature. Oh, -1, no worries. Dude, how are you? I'm shaking, man. That was scary. That was scary. That's a really bad time. We are at Fredericton, I think it is. Freddie. No idea where that is. We just did a driver swap. Geordie jumped in and bang goes the tyre. Kind of bummed me, but I've got a solution coming now anyway, so I called around some tyre shops. There's a local Goodyear suggested a towie. Old Brocky's Towing's going to come pick us up, take us to the tyre shop, get a tyre, on our way. Yeah.
I've never seen that happen, man.
This absolute legend named Aaron dropped past. Matty made the call. He's got some XR6. Are they turbo wheels?
I think it's just XR6.
They're Falcon wheels, and I'm pretty confident these will fit. So, actually, no lies. We've already tried them on.
Just like that, problem solved, eh?
I haven't used an air rattle gun in ever.
I was thinking the same thing earlier, using that.
Ever.
At least 5 years.
I reckon 5 years, yeah.
At least.
Hey mate, this thing sounds really cool.
Yeah, it sounds a lot faster than what it is.
Mark to the rescue.
It's a bit of a bummer.
But Mark's going to sort us out. What an absolute legend. Get it done tonight. Can you just give me... Oh, damn, they're 4-star. Bummer. I'd run with them. You got any adapters? See you, mate. Pit crew engaged. We just rocked up to Sydney Motorsport Park. Mark from Barrel Brothers is bringing us the wheels. He's rebuilt them overnight, so we're going to jack the car up here, put them on here in the car park. And we're just giving the car a little fast wax once over, because we are on display for Raceworks this weekend. This car has pretty well the whole catalogue of Raceworks gear under the bonnet, so nice to show off their products at an awesome event. So just got to be looking nice rather than having BA stockos.
Try and polish them up.
At least you can see the brakes. Yeah.
I'll give them a wipe for you.
Yeah. Sick, awesome, looking fresh. Thanks, Tom, you missed the spot. Barrel Brothers to the rescue. Record time, look at that. Back on all four, stoked. That looks fantastic. And we've made it. Friday morning, World Time Attack. We are on the Raceworks stand. This is the whole purpose of the trip, to come down and showcase the vehicle with Raceworks. It's not a crazy race car. It's definitely not a crazy fast GDR or anything like that, but it is a very unique vehicle that catches a lot of attention. So we're on stand with Raceworks. It's packed full of Raceworks gear, so it's a perfect car for it. This event is awesome. There's so many exhibitors here. There's epic cars and awesome people. And I'm doing 2 episodes for World Time Attack. One of them is this one, which is the general overview of having fun at the event. The other one, we're down here with my mate Sean Austin in his epic little SR20 powered Nissan Micra. He's called himself the No Idea Club because he's just a guy having a go in a race car. And I'm doing, I suppose, a little bit of a documentary on that car too, so stay tuned for that episode in the future. But for now, let's take a walk around, check out some cool cars, and hand out some high fives. Yeah, the crew. Hey mate, how you going? I'm all for silly ideas, and Keep It Reet have come through with the goods. Twin 13B, RX-8 13Bs bolted together with a uni joint. And actually, they've pulled it off. They've got it running, and I reckon it sounds pretty good, eh? It's sick. Look at these 2 famous YouTubers.
Oh, look at
Hey!
Just looking at Volvos, bro.
How good's a Volvo?
I've got a Volvo.
Just need some crazy ports now.
As if you don't love that.
I'm not sure if that's the cheapest way to make a 26B or the most expensive way, or it's the same.
What did you think? What did you think?
I like it, man. It's sick. Like, honestly, well done. It's awesome.
Yeah, no, it's no one believed in us. Not even I believed in us.
I have not yet seen Jeff's car in person, but I have seen it on the internet. This thing is so cool. Ferrari powered Alpha. Sure, it sounds amazing in person, and Jeff has done a really good job on this thing. It's the styling of it suits really well. The interior is immaculate. Just done an awesome job, and drives the wheels of it too, as far as I'm aware. I've only been to World Time Attack once, which was 2017, and this event, in my opinion, has totally changed. The whole, I don't know what it is about it, but I'm having such a good time. I've met so many people, and there's so many exhibitors here. This is just packed full of so many businesses. Everyone promoting all their stuff, so really cool to see, and I'm definitely coming back next year because this is awesome. You don't get to see a Cosmo every day. That thing's sick. Hey. This Lexus smashed past us before, so this is the Olive Krona drift car. That's got a Harley V12. This thing is awesome. I'm not too sure how much power it makes. I know it is quite a fair chunk. But twin turbo. Nelson's obviously done some crazy 3D printing with that inlet manifold, and yeah, well done. Sounds amazing and looks pretty cool too. I like it.
License details.
Oh crap!
Like I get a loan.
Sick. This thing sounds sick, man.
Just that's the first lap that I felt actually half okay in it.
Yeah, wicked.
Just struggling. I think I love it too much.
I heard you from the hotel last night. Yeah, Jay.
K-Swap, eat your heart out. This is Ben's 86 Third Strike Ben. I'll film his Insta tag so you can check it out. This thing is bloody beautiful and has been a long time in the build. I think he said maybe its first outing in the new format, so bloody beautiful. Well done, Ben. This is really nice. One of the best things about these events is meeting legends like this bloke and taking selfies. I love it. If you see me at an event, come and say hi. So obviously World Time Attack is about one perfect lap. It's a track challenge, but not only is this event about that, it's also about the show and shine. It's about traders coming here, people coming to see so many cool cars. There's drifting on. There's also the Flying 500 later on tonight, which is where we're at now. All of these epic roll racing cars. Some of them are just insane. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, I drive that. You. It's all that strong Swedish steel. It's not moving. What do you think?
It's awesome.
We're gonna park this up on the hill and watch drifting later.
Oh! I'll see you there, baby.
There's a fridge there, man. Get some lemon squash in there. That one's just a subwoofer.
Is it really a fridge?
No, it's a fridge, yeah. There's only Gatorade though.
Oh, it's a fridge. So good.
Super Cheap Auto are the major naming sponsor of World Time Attack this year, and I believe for future years. They've got this sweet little store going on. It's spin to win. Apparently everyone's a winner. I feel kind of guilty though. You know, they work with Super Cheap Auto.
Oh,
Socks. I don't have socks. There we go.
They are.
Keen. Awesome. Make it super. Thanks, Aaron.
No
Cheers,
worries.
Aaron.
Have a good one.
And thank you, Super Cheap Auto, for sponsoring an awesome event. This has been a wicked day. There's still drifting on, which I want to go and see that. I think we might park the crane up on the hill and maybe crack a afternoon delight on the hill. What a massive day. I've met so many people. Thank you so much for coming up to say hi. I really do love meeting everyone. I just scored myself a free book too, so thank you, World Time Attack. We're down here, it's currently Friday. Tomorrow is race day, and I am making a separate video with my mate Sean in his Nissan Micra. That's gonna be a little bit of a documentary, kind of what it takes to race in World Time Attack. Sean is as grassroots as it gets. He's a top bloke, and he's letting me throw some GoPros in the car. That's gonna be one to look out for, so stay tuned for that. If you wanna see some more World Time Attack content, hit the search bar. There's so many awesome creators here covering this event. There's so many top cars, and there's There's endless amounts of content, so check that out. Also check out World Time Attack's YouTube channel. They have the whole event covered. They've also got some really cool documentary style videos there too. Thank you for watching as always. I do hate cars, but I also love cars. This is my passion and I love being at events like this. It sparks more motivation to work on my own stuff. If you get the chance to come to an event like this, get amongst it. Get off your ass, take that 1,000-kilometre drive in your street car and come down to these events. My name's Woody, this is the Skid Factory. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time, cheers. World Time Attack Challenge, thank you for having me. What an awesome event. I want to thank everyone who came up and gave me a high five. I really do love meeting everyone. I wish I could spend so much more time with everyone and getting to know your story. It's spectators like yourself that keep these events going, so if you get the chance to attend next time, definitely sign yourself up. Thanks for watching and enjoy the moment.
Contact!